High behavior expectations. That's the game we're playing, the challenge we're facing. We gotta use a few techniques to make everything run sweet, to keep the class so fun, so unique. 100% participation is the key technique. Radar be seen, make compliance be visible, make things run sweet. Least invasive inhibitions and firm confidence will ensure the success. And the art of consequence will keep everything in sequence when you use a strong voice and what to do. Expectations are met in the classroom for you. Chapter 11 had a number of positive actions and techniques, but the six interventions will help things go so sweet. Nonverbal positive group correction, anonymous individual correction, private individual, and of course some private praise, and a few other corrections will keep things moving in the right direction. Consequences and correction, effectively delivered with a strong voice, will help each student make the right choice. Just follow the six principles with a strong voice and it will guide you through. And it also has a few other things for you to do. Specific, concrete, sequential, observable will help you differentiate and navigate through. These are the four characteristics of what to do. And if you feel you need more help on what to do, there's a 2.0 there too. Consistent, what to do, adding a gesture with checking for understanding. Simplified, what to do, and a few others is all here for further reflection and practice. Chapter 11 has so much to share with me and you. By applying these skills, we should all make it through.